A few years ago, my family spent Christmas Eve serving at a shelter. That night, I felt real joy for the first time, not from gifts, but from giving.
I needed a moment of peace. I knelt to pray, and in the stillness that followed, I felt His love surround me.
That's the kind of joy that Christ brings.
That is the peace Christ gives.